happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap it loud. Shout hooray, hooray! This is the last sound in our first group of Jolly Phonics sounds. Oh, you guys have done so well. You've been learning and we are almost done with the first group of sound. We have 6 more groups to go, but I know that you are going to enjoy the lessons as you have been enjoying. So as we always say, it is Jolly Phonics time! Hooray! Okay, so as usual, we go into our box. And what have we got in our sound box today? Who can guess? Okay, so this time I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to put my, whatever I come up with, you tell me. Ta-da! What do we have? Great! Okay. So, I'm not looking, you know. Ta-da! What do we have? Excellent! I know I'm not looking. What do we have? Again. Excellent. Okay. Ta-da! What do we have? And hold it well. What do we have? Great. Ta-da! What do we have? Excellent. Well done. So let's look at what. Okay, so let's look at our sound technique. So we have here. Good. Oh, sorry. I've turned my letters. Okay. What do we have? Well done. Great. Okay, so I'm going to show it a bit fast. So let's go. Faster. Excellent. Who was able to get it? Well done. Thumbs up for you. So when I show you, you are going to tell me the sound and then do the action. So the snake slithering away goes. The snake slithering away goes. Excellent. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arm. Watching the tennis game. Great. Inky Mouse goes. Inky Mouse goes. Now puff out the candle. Puff out the candle. Great job. So we are going to listen to what our story for today, and then I'm going to also show you the big book, and then you read or you watch, you look at the pictures as I read the story to you. Okay. So it goes this way. Maybe let me raise it a little bit. Can we all see? Good. So let's go. Nicola has always wanted to go fishing with her grandfather. Gramps has always said, no, you'll make too much noise and scare the fish away. You can come when you get bigger. But now she is 5. Gramps has agreed to take her fishing for an afternoon. Gramps sets his fishing rod and they settle down to fish. Nicola sits very still and waits very quietly. It is very peaceful. Suddenly, they hear a very loud and nasty noise. A plane flies overhead. The plane does a noisy loop-de-loop in the sky above them. Gramps doesn't like the nasty noise and puts his hands over his ears. Nicola looks at Gramps and laughs. You were worried I would make too much noise. And with a swoop and a swell, she runs up and down on the bank pretending she is the plane. So She pretends to be the plane. She goes, Excellent. Well done. That's our story for today. Who can tell me what happened? So did Nicola make the noise to scare the fish? No. Okay. But what did? What was making that loud, nasty noise? An airplane making the loop. Well done. Well done. Now, when the airplane was making the noise, what sound did we hear? Oh, great. We heard the sound was, can we all pretend to be the airplane? Everybody get up. Yes, get up. Okay, so trying to pretend to be the airplane. Now run around the room. Let's go. Go. Great. Okay, come back. Everybody come back. Come and settle. Let's continue. Now let's look at Grams and Nicola. What do you think Nicola is doing? She's running around pretending to be the airplane. Great. What is she holding? Net. Well done. We hear an in net. Great. Now, what do you think she's using the net for? Why do you think she's running? What do you think she'll be using the net to catch? Fish. Okay. That's good. What else? Butterflies. Great. Butterflies. She could be using it to catch what? Butterflies. Well done. Now, can we see the airplane that was making the loop, making the loud, nasty noise? Can we see the airplane? Well done. What is Grams doing? Look at Grams. He's covering his ears because the sound was too loud. Well done. Can we see some fish in it? Oh, the noise actually did scare the fish away. Wow. Great. Anything else we can see? Yes, some birds are flying above Nicola's head. Wow. Great. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed the story. Great story. Okay, so let's move on. So how does this look like? Here we go. This is the sound. This is the sound. You see my teeth as if you are smiling. I want to see all your teeth as you say, so let's go. Again. Great. That's the sound. Good. Now we are going to learn how to write our sound. And as we usually do, we are using our magic fingers. We are going to write it in the air. So I'll start at a point. I'll go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. I'll start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. So let's start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. Excellent. So what are we saying? Start at a point. So this is what you start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. Start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. Excellent. So that is the sound what? Great. Let's write it in our sound tray. Start at a point. So what we do, we go down, back up the line again to the top, over the hill, down with a flick. So that is our sound word. Pick your erasable board. So let's try and write it. Okay. We are starting at a point. We are going to go down, back up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. Did we see? Good. So let's try and write it again. We are starting at a point, we go down, back up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. Great. Have you written it? Okay, let mommy see it. Good. Now we are going to learn or write the in our alphabet math. So we said that we have tortoise letters. Can we see any tortoise letters in the ones I've written here? Can we see any tortoise? Yeah, I can. And A. And we said that it's what? A giraffe letter because it goes where up. And we learned up and we said it is what? A monkey letter because it goes down. The tail goes down. So this is how the looks like. Then you tell me which type of letter it is. So we start at a point. We go down, come up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. So what type of letter do you think this one is? A tortoise letter. Great. We are writing it again. Start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. Okay, let me clean it and then we'll write it again. Okay. We are starting at a point, we go down, come up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. Start at a point, go down, back up the line again to the top, over the bridge, down with a flick. Great, and the sound is the sound is good. So I'm going to now write all the sounds that we have learned in the first group. So we have what? Good. We have a. We have a. We have. And we have. Great. Great. So let's see. Let's try and blend some sounds. Okay. Now I can have, well, we know the sound. So let's go. We have what? Ah, and then let's go. Ah, gives us what? Gives us Great. So I'm going to pick the again. And then this time I'm adding another sound. So we have here and we said it is what? We said it's what? And then we add ant. What do we get? And. Great. Okay. Now, when we did this one, we said, okay, so let's try and blend it. We have what? Gives us what? Pa gives us pa. Great. And I'm going to add another sound. And then I've added so I have pa, giving us what? Pan. Giving us what? Pan. Great. Then I have another. So let's go. We have giving us what? Na. Giving us what? Na. And then we add na. What do we get? Na. Again, na. And let's look at the last one. Okay, so we have a giving us what? T, and then giving us what? Tin, giving us what? Tin. Excellent. You guys have done so well. Good. Okay. Brought it up close so we can see everything really clearly. So today we've looked at the sound as we know, and we are looking at things that have the sound in them. So we said this is N, and it makes the sound as in net, as in nurse, as in nose, as in neck. You can see your neck. Now touch your neck and let me see. Brilliant. Neck. As in needle. We use it to sew. As in newspaper. Newspaper. Then we have as in nest. So that's the home of birds. As you can see, the birds singing. As in nail. The carpenters use the nail to make what, chairs and tables. So we've looked at a lot of objects here which have the sound well done, smart kids you are. So let's look at our sounding. We have here nest, nest, nest. We get an nest. Good job. Pie, pie. Do we hear in pie? No. Okay. Net, net. We hear net. Great job. Neck. See the long giraffe neck. Neck. We hear neck. Great job. Excellent. You've done well. Oh, shine for yourself. Shine, 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 shine faster. It's a hot. Let's blast off. Off we go. Great job. That's excellent. That's wonderful. Okay. So at this time, I'm going to give you a word and then try and tell me the sounds that you can hear in the word. So my word is sat, sat, sat. What sounds can you hear? Great. The next one. Ah, wonderful. And then beautiful. So we have here and the word is sat. Great job. Very smart. Okay, my next word is pan, 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 pan. Can you tell me the sounds you can hear in pan? Great. Ah, wonderful. Good job. So we have pan. Wonderful. You've done so well. You guys have practiced very well. I'm going to give every one of you a surprise, okay? Good. I tell mommy to even buy you the bigger surprise because you've been doing so good. Just pat your shoulder and say, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just pat it and say, yeah, I'm good. So we are going to listen to our song and then we'll say bye for the day. Okay, so let's listen. It says that hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. So let's listen.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
Awesome. So we are going to play it again and then we are going to sing, or let me sing it and then we will play it again. So it goes like this. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. So this time you can get up and then we'll sing along and you move around in the room as you sing. Okay, so let's go everybody up, up. Stretch out your arms like the wings of the airplane. So let's go. Hear the airplane. Go around. As you sing, move around, run around. Making lots of noise. Great. So we'll come back again with another interesting activity in Jolly Phonics time. Before we go, let's sing our Jolly Phonics song. It says that Jolly Phonics is a fun way to learn to read and write. Make your sounds, do your actions, put sounds together and you form words. Now you see that you can read